Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about 2D coordinate system. In this video, X center and some practice questions. Here, X center. You observe that this is the triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, one internal angular bisector that is a by 2 comma a by 2. This the total angle is a, half of the angle the line passing through. This is one internal angular bisector. To observe that this is the angle B, this is the angle C. Here in a straight line, total angle is 180 degree. 180, this angle is subtracted. This angle is 180 minus B. And also, this much of angle is C. Your total angle is 180 degree. Subtracted, this angle is equal to 180 minus C. This is the external part. These are external angular bisectors. The angles passing through half 180 minus B, half of the 180 minus B. 180 minus B by 2 and 180 minus B by 2. This is external angular bisector, and this is also external angular bisector. The total angle is 180 minus C, half of the angle 180 minus C by 2, 180 minus C by 2. This is also external angular bisector. In any triangle, one internal angular bisector and two external angular bisectors are concurrent. The point of concurrence is called X center. It is represented by letter I1. Here, from the point I1 to draw a one X circle. This is the X circle. Touches, this is the half of the X circle to draw. Touches the BC side and AB side. This is the external part. The AC side and external part. This is the X center. Here in a triangle, three X centers are formed. Here capital A, X center opposite to vertex B, it represented by I1. Here the capital B, X center opposite to vertex B is represented by I2. Here X center I3, it is a opposite to vertex C. By the definition, in any triangle, one internal angular bisector and two external angular bisectors are concurrent. The point of concurrence is called X center. Here this is one internal angular bisector. These are two external angular bisectors are concurrent. The point of concurrence is called X center. It is denoted by I1. In a triangle ABC, three X centers are formed. I1, I2, I3. Here I1 is the X center opposite to vertex A. I2 is the X center opposite to vertex B. I3 is the X center opposite to vertex C. Next, formula for X center. In a triangle ABC, three X centers are formed. I1, I2, I3. Here, in a triangle ABC, capital A equal to x1 comma y1, B equal to x2 comma y2, C equal to x3 comma y3 are the three vertices given. Here to find A equal to distance between BC, small a equal to find small b, that is the distance between AC, to find small c, distance between AB. Then the formula for X center, I1, X center opposite to vertex A. The formula is minus ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by minus a plus b plus c, comma, minus a1 ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by minus a plus b plus c. To observe this formula, here vertex capital A, I1 is the X center opposite to vertex A, the side A is the minus. Similarly, the I2 is the X center opposite to vertex B. Here the side B, negative. The formula is ax1 minus bx2 plus cx3 by a minus b plus c, comma ay1 minus by2 plus cy3 by a minus b plus c. I3, x center opposite to vertex c. The formula is ax1 plus bx2 minus cx3 by a plus b minus c, comma ay1 plus by2 minus cy3 by a plus b minus c. Next one, relation between orthocenter H, centroid G, circumcenter S. To observe that this is the triangle ABC. In any triangle, the medians congruent formed centroid. The medians congruent formed centroid. If the altitudes congruent formed orthocenter H. If the perpendicular bisectors are congruent formed circumcenter S. H is equal to orthocenter, H is orthocenter, G is the centroid and S is the circumcenter. To join these 3 points, the 3 are collinear. The 3 points lying on the same line. Here orthocenter H, centroid G, circumcenter S of a triangle are collinear. One relation is there. The relation is 3z is equal to 2s plus h. Here h orthocenter, G centroid, S circumcenter are lying on the same line. These are the collinear points. Here G divides hs in the ratio 2:1. Next exercise, short answer type questions. First question, find the centroid of the triangle formed by the points 2, 7, 3, -1 and 5, -5, 6. Here first vertex let it be A. Let A equal to 2, 7, the coordinates x1, y1. B equal to 3, -1, the coordinates x2, y2. C equal to -5, 6, coordinates x3, y3. To find the centroid of the triangle. In a triangle ABC, this is the ABC. To find centroid G. Here one formula centroid. Centroid G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Apply the values. X1 2, x2 3, x3 -5, plus into minus -5 by 3. Here y1 is equal to 7, y2 -1 plus into -1, y3 6 by 3. 2 plus 3 5, 5 minus 5 0, 0 by 3 0, 7 minus 1 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 by 3, 3 ones 3 fours. The centroid coordinates 0, 4. Next question, if two vertices of a triangle are 4, 8, -2, 6 and the centroid is 2, 7, then find the third vertex. First vertex let A is equal to 4, 8, the coordinates x1, y1. B equal to -2, 6, the coordinates x2, y2. Let C is equal to x, y. To find the third vertex, this is the third vertex. The coordinates x3, y3. Given centroid G is equal to 2, 7. Then apply the formula. G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Here G value is 2, 7, x1 4, x2 -2 plus into -2. Here x3 is x by 3, y1 8 plus y2 6. Here y3 is y by 3. 2 comma 7. 4 minus 2 2. 2 plus x by 3. 8 plus 6 14 plus y by 3. 2 plus x by 3 equal to 2. Here x coordinate equal to x coordinate and y coordinate equal to y coordinate. 2 plus x by 3 is equal to 2. Cross multiply. 2 plus x is equal to 3 into 2 6. 2 plus x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 minus 2. X is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Next 14 plus y by 3 is equal to 7. 14 plus y by 3 is equal to 7. Cross multiply. 3 7s, so 21. 14 plus y is equal to 21. Y is equal to 21 minus 14. Y is equal to 7. Then third vertex is C is equal to x comma y 4 comma 7. C is third vertex. The answer is 4 comma 7. Next one, the third question. The centroid of triangle ABC is 2 comma 7. The points B, C lie on x, y axis respectively and A equal to 4 comma 8. Find B and C. Here in this question, centroid G is given. G is equal to centroid of triangle ABC 2 comma 7. And one vertex is given, capital A is equal to 4 comma 8. B lies on x axis. The coordinates are x comma 0. If B lies on x axis, y coordinate is 0. And C lies on y axis 0 comma y. Here x coordinate is 0. First one, this is x1 y1, x2 y2, B coordinates, and C coordinates x3 y3. Centroid G is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. To apply the values G, the centroid G is equal to 2 comma 7. x1 4, in x2 x, in x3 0 by 3, comma y1 8, y2 0, y3 y by 3. Here 4 plus x by 3, 8 plus y by 3. 4 plus x by 3 is equal to 4 plus x by 3 is equal to 2. Cross multiply. 4 plus x is equal to 6. 4 plus x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 minus 4. X equal to 2. Next, 8 plus y by 3 is equal to 7. 8 plus y by 3 is equal to 7. 8 plus y is equal to 7 3 is 21. Y is equal to 21 minus 8. Y is equal to 13. 21 minus 8, the result is 13. The B coordinates, B lies on x axis, the coordinates x comma 0. Here x value is 2, 2 comma 0. And C lies on y axis, then the coordinate 0 comma y, 0 comma 13. Next question, find the incenter and excenters of the triangle formed by the points 3 comma 2, 7 comma 2, 7 comma 5. In a triangle, let first vertex, let A is equal to 3 comma 2, the coordinates x1 y1, B is equal to 7 comma 2, the coordinates x2 y2, C is equal to 7 comma 5, the coordinates x3 y3. First to find small a, small b, small c values. Small a is equal to distance between BC. Distance between BC. Here distance between 2 points. Difference of x coordinate whole square plus difference of y coordinate whole square. Here 7 minus 7, 0. 0 square 0. 2 minus 5 minus 3. Minus 3 whole square 9. 0 plus 9 root 9. The value equal to 3. Next to find small b. Small b is the distance between AC. AC. Here distance between AC. 3 minus 7 minus 4. Minus 4 whole square 16. 2 minus 5 minus 3. Minus 3 whole square 9. Root 25. 16 plus 9 25. Root 25. The value equal to 5. Next to find C. C is the distance between AB. AB square root of 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7 minus 4. Minus 4 whole square 16. 2 minus 2 0. Root 16. Root 16 value is 4. Next apply the formula in center. In center I is equal to, in center I is equal to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. In center I is equal to ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by a plus b plus c, comma ay1 plus by2 plus cy3 by a plus b plus c. Here apply the values. A equal to 3. x1 value 3. b equal to 5. x2 value 7. c equal to 4. x3 value 7. a plus b plus c. 3 plus 5 plus 4. Comma a y1. a 3 y1 2. 3 into 2 plus b 5. 5 into 2 plus c value. c is equal to 4. 4 into y3 5. By a plus b plus c, 3 plus 5 plus 4. 3 plus 5 plus 4. Here 3 3 9. 3 into 3 9. 5 7 35 plus 35. 4 7 28 plus 28. 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 4 12. Comma 3 to 6. 5 to 10. 5 into 2 10. 4 5 20. By 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 4 12. Here 9 plus 35 44. 44 28. 8 4 12 72. 72 by 12, comma 20 plus 10 30. 30 plus 6 36 by 12. 12 1 so 12 6. 12 6 72. 12 1 so 12 3. 6 comma 3 is the in center. And also in this problem find the x centers also. This is the in center. This is the same question to find x centers. Here a, b, c values given in problem. Already to find small a value, small b value and small c value. Then apply the formula I1. I1 is the x center opposite to vertex A. The formula is minus ax1 plus bx2 plus cx3 by minus a plus b plus c, comma minus ay1 plus by2 plus C y3 by minus A plus B plus C. Here the multiplication is directly applied. A, here A value is 3, x1 value 3, 3 into 3, 9, minus 9, B value is equal to 5, x2 value 7, 5 7s 35, C x3, 4 into 7, 28 by A is equal to 3, minus 3, B is equal to 5 plus 4, comma, A y1. Here A value is 3, y1 is 2, 3 into 2, 6, minus 6, B y2, 5 into 2, 10, plus C y3, 4 into 5, 20, by A equal to 3, minus 3, B equal to 5, C equal to 4. Here 35 plus 28, 35 plus 28, 8 5 13, 3 2 5 63, 63 minus 9, 13 minus 9 4, 54. The 5 plus 4 9, 9 minus 3 6. I1 is equal to 54 by 6, comma, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 minus 6, 24, 24. Here 5 plus 9, 9, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 nines, 6 fours, 9 comma 4 is the x center I1. Next, to find x center I2, the formula is ax2 plus ax1 minus bx2 plus cx3 by a minus b plus c, comma, ay1 minus by2 plus cy3 by a minus b plus c. This is the I2. X center opposite to vertex B. Apply the values. A value 3, 3 into 3, 9, minus bx2, 5 into 7, 35, plus cx3, 4 into 7, 28, by a 3 minus 5 plus 4, comma, a y1, 3 into 2, 6, b y2, 5 into 2, 10, minus 10, plus c y3, c value is 4, 4 5s 20, by 4 into 5, 20, by 3 minus 5 plus 4. Here 28 plus 9, 37, 37 minus 35, 2. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 minus 5, 2, comma, 20 plus 6, 26, 26 minus 10, 16, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 minus 5, 2, 2 ones cancelled, 2 8s. This is the result is 1, comma 8. This is the x center I2. Next, to find x center I3. ax1 plus bx2 minus cx3 by a plus b minus c, comma, ay1 plus by2 minus cy3 by a plus b minus c. Already the multiplication of ax1, bx2, cx3. Apply the values. ax1 9, bx2 35, cx3 here minus 28. A value 3, b 5, c minus 4. A y1 value is equal to 6, b y2 value is 10, c y3 value is 20, by a value 3, b value 5, minus 4. Here 9 plus 35, 44. 44 minus 28. 44 minus 28. 14 minus 8, 6. Here 16. 16 by 3 plus 5, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. Comma 10 plus 6, 16. Minus 20, 16. Minus 4. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 ones, 4 fours, 4 ones, 4 ones. 4 comma minus 1. Okay. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Next class, discuss about areas and missing vertices. If you have any doubt, drop them in the comment section.